Hello and welcome back to KTV India. This is me, your host Varsha Venugopal, and as you know, I'm standing at the Nagarjuna College of Engineering and Technology. I'm a bit happy right now because I got the core members, and all are female. Those are female core members, and as you know how I love leading ladies, and these are 3S. Sharada, Swati and Shilpa, the faculty members of Nagarjuna College of Engineering and Technology, standing here at the hackathon event, and they are managing it from the day one. And I would love to make you meet all to my KTV India audience. Welcome to KTV India, ma'am. Thank you for joining on KTV India, ma'am. First of all, I just love those 3S, Sharada, Swati and Shilpa, ma'am. These are the faculties here. And these are the 3S who are helping to manage out the hackathon over here. Ma'am, I have spoken to many people over here. They told a glimpse about like what is hackathon, what is happening all around, what is the initiative is all about. But ma'am, I can see that you guys are managing here everything. May I know the process of what is exactly happening, like how it started, what is the process ongoing and stuff like that? We'll start with Sharada, ma'am.
Yeah, very nice to have interaction with you, Varsha. So we have been selected as nodal center from AICT. So we are very happy for that because among the 60 institutes which have been selected under this scheme, this program, all over India, we are one amongst them. For that we are very happy. And once we got the news that we have been selected as a nodal center, we started all our preparations, starting from meeting with principal sir and all our core committee members. We have started with discussions of how to go about it. So once the venue was selected, then we started planning everything, how should be the stage and how should be the all other arrangements for our students who are coming from almost 11 states of India. So we are happy to host this event. And we have made it also. Today is the second day. We are very happy. Yesterday we had inaugural program. We had actually guest Dr. Ranjana N from DRDO, and we had one more guest, Professor Radhakrishnan from Walmart, and Mr. Rajan from TCS Research Wing. So it was a grand inauguration yesterday we had, and it started off with all that inaugural program. And the students who have come from all the way from different states are just with their coding work overnight. So they are busy with their coding, and we are also happy to see them enthusiastically participating in such a great event. It is one among the greatest hackathon of the world, because entire world, this is an international level hackathon, we can say. So we are very happy for that.
Swati ma'am, I want to ask you that so many students are there, like how difficult it is to handle them, although they are grown-ups, in fact they are contributing for the nation, but still there would be some or the other places where you also feel, ayo, this is so hectic. Did you ever felt that?
Nice to interact with this question. Actually, I have given a charge of interacting with the students only, and being a core committee member, I used to, from the day one, I used to interact with all the students, and the students are going to ask different queries, which whatever we were able to answer, we answered it, and which we were not able to answer also, we checked with other nodal officers, and we were able to make comfortable. We were able to make them comfortable, and finally they were very happy to be at Nagarjuna College of Engineering, and they are very excited, and this is the opportunity given by Modi sir for current youth to contribute for tomorrow's Vikasit Bharat. And I am very proud that Nagarjuna College of Engineering has got this opportunity to host this grand finale at our college.
Seems like Swati ma'am is very happy to be here.
Yes, because I am the one who is interacting with each and every student. There are totally 114 members, and there are 16 teams which have come from different states like Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, everybody. Every day I used to interact with them. So now as soon as they come to the college, they were asking, we were only interacting with you in the WhatsApp, but now we are able to see Swati ma'am over here. So I felt very happy by listening those words.
That we can see the three ladies are with full smile. They have no tiredness. They're very happy to serve the students, and since the time I entered the session, they are like keep on smiling, and that smiling actually making them not tired at all. So moving on to Shilpa ma'am, like core committee is actually a very hectic thing, definitely, because there are so much to do, so much to do. I just want to know an experience of you. Have any one of them came up with a very silly doubt and you will be like, and you're trying to solve it, but like you can't do anything because it's a very silly thing and still you have to solve it. Is there any experience like that?
No, I didn't get any such experience because I am taking care of the discipline committee. Maybe Swati ma'am has experienced that because she is the single point of contact convener. She might have solved such silly problems that students have come across. Yeah, since we are identified as a nodal center, our principal, he has he has made many committees along with our nodal officer as well. So one such committee is the discipline committee. We have food committee, we have hospitality committee and various such committees for the smooth conduction of this event. So we are very happy to host this in our college.
Yeah. So far, I also can see that the whole session is going so smooth, and it's just because of all of you are here. You are doing your job so well. Thank you so much for joining on KTV India. Those were the 3 S of Nagarjuna College of Engineering and Technology with me on KTV India. I'm your host Varsha Venugopal along with camera person Ullas.